What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps involving money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about how to add or remove a payment method on your Uber app. First off, you do need the Uber app downloaded on your phone, and you have to have already been signed up. We're going to assume that those two things have already happened. You want to open your Uber app up, and you'll see the following screen. From here, you want to click on the account button and click on payment. Once here, if you scroll down, you can see all the cards that you have used throughout your history with Uber. As you see, I have some expired cards, so I'm going to remove one. Just click on the card you wish to remove, and you click on remove payment method. Now, if you want to replace this slot with another card, you can click on edit. We're going to remove in this case. If you wish to add a payment method, just scroll down and click on Add Payment Method. Once here, you have the option to add a bank account, link your Venmo, add a debit card, PayPal, Uber gift card, CVS Pharmacy, etc. We're going to go ahead and add a debit card, and next you just fill in the information that's on your debit card. Once you're done, click on Next, and the card will then be added. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it, and subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.